Hello, welcome to my channel. I am so glad you're here. Today I am doing a what I eat in a day, and you're gonna follow me throughout my day, and I'm gonna show you breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, everything that I eat, and if I drink any calories, I will also share that as well. I got the subscription to WW 2025 because I want to give you the points that are more accurate. But for me personally, I am following the old WW program, and that is Points Plus. I find that through the Healthi app, and it's under Carb Conscious. So throughout my day, I'm going to include both WW 2025 points, and I'm also going to include Points Plus. For WW, I get 23 points a day, and for Points Plus, I get 26 points a day. On Points Plus, I have lost over 28 pounds, and I am super excited about it. So let's get this day started, and I'm going to start us off with breakfast.
Good morning. Let's make us a quick, easy breakfast this morning. I am working my way through a pack of these plain bagel thins. I'm gonna get this toasted up. Just popped up. They smell so yummy. We're gonna bring them over here to the island area. I have this strawberry cream cheese for 1 tablespoon, which I have measured out right here, is 1 point. For Points Plus, the bagel is 3 points. 1 tablespoon of cream cheese is 1 point. For Weight Watchers 2025, the bagel is 3 points and the 1 tablespoon of cream cheese is 3 points. I am going to get a couple grapes, and I'm going to have those alongside with my coffee.
Since I last used the WW app, this was a few years ago, wow, has it changed. I think it's actually gotten better. I can take a recipe and I can copy the link. I can put the link right into my WW app, and it calculates the points for me. That is stinking amazing. I love that feature. Also, I can create a recipe, or I can just add in my calories and nutrition, and I can come up with the points that way. Or they have a scanner, which makes it so easy when I'm running around and all I want to do is scan it and go. It's great. Now with Points Plus, the Healthi app, it has a scanner as well, which spoils me rotten, but they do not have where I can copy and paste a recipe into the app and it calculates the points. I have to put in the nutrition manually, and that's okay because it works, and as long as it's working, I'm a happy girl. Weight Watchers 2025 has a lot more 0-point foods than the Points Plus has. Also, the WW app calculates macros. It has a feature where you can just take a picture of the food and it can calculate the food that way. You can snap a picture or you can upload a picture. It also has a place for menopause. So if you are perimenopause or menopausal, you can get into the app, and it's new, it says, and it's WW for menopause. This is what the app says. Take back your body, your mood, your sleep, yourself. We'll help you lose weight, manage symptoms, and connect with women who get it. If you are interested in the WW 2025, I have a link below. You can hit that and check it out. Plus, with me using this app, it is going to help me find recipes, which coincides with my Points Plus. So either way, I can pull recipes, I can figure things out through both of my apps. And when I signed up for WW, it was only $11 a month for so many months. So each app has their special features. It's completely up to you what you're looking for. I just figured I would start sharing both of them through my channel, because honestly, anything that works for us personally, it's worth it. This day is flying by. It is almost 1 o'clock and time for lunch.
For lunch, I am going to figure out 1 ounce of Black Forest ham. This is just lunch meat. I get it at Walmart. All right, that is coming over here. I have these low carb tortillas. For one of these, it is only 1 point. So I sprayed a pan, and I'm going to put this in a pan, and I'm going to crisp it up. I am also grabbing 1 slice of Velveeta cheese, which is 1 point. And potato chips. It's 3 points. I like the Lay's baked potato chips. Speaking of chips, have you tried these? They are so very good. They're by Quaker, and they are cheddar. My goodness, are they good. I like to warm up my ham And I also place the cheese on there so that it melts. It gets ooey gooey. You can add mustard to this if you want to. I'm not going to. And then I fold my ham and my cheese is right in the middle of this. It's so good. You can't see it, but I swear it's in there. There it is. Switching this to grams instead of ounces. I get 28 grams. And that is lunch.
As I'm showing you the points between the Points Plus and the Weight Watcher app, I just want you to know you can adjust any of these points to work with the points that you have for your day. I just figured I would show you each individual item and how much they're coming up with each app. I hope it's not too confusing. I find it very fascinating. Not every day do I have snack time, but today I am going to. And it is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. When my sister Cassie visited, she brought us this. It's a loose leaf tea. It is called Auntie's Pumpkin Pie. And oh my goodness, does this stuff smell amazing. These are some of the notes that the tea has in it. There's black tea, caramel bits, cinnamon bits, cloves, citrus peel, pumpkin sprinkles, and flavoring. So I've decided to have my own little version of like ice cream and cake. So I have this chocolate brownie Fiber One bar. That is 2 points with both Weight Watchers and Points Plus. And this is also 2 points for both Weight Watchers and Points Plus. It's a Carb Smart by Breyer. And I'm gonna have one of these. I have sugar-free whipped cream, and I am going to put a little spray of this on that brownie. This is a good snack. I don't want to make dinner. Just kidding. Let's go make some dinner. We are having this for dinner tonight. One of the sides, I'm going to have pierogies. Another side, we are going to have sauerkraut. I personally do not like sauerkraut, but I like the sausage cooked in the sauerkraut. I know, that's weird. There's just something about it, but I like how it flavors the sausage. It goes really well with it. But Jason and Timothy absolutely love kraut. So that's what we're having tonight. And I'm also going to have some green beans. I just don't know if I want the cut green beans or the French style green beans. I decided French style. I cut up the sausage and I like to brown it up a little bit before I add the kraut. I like to drain my sauerkraut. I was raised on this meal. My mom used to make it a lot. But what she liked to do is she would put everything in a pan. She would put a few pats of butter on the sauerkraut and then pop it in the oven for a little bit. And that was, a lot of times it was like a Saturday or a Sunday dinner. She also used to cut up potatoes. She would quarter them and put them in the pan. So we had potatoes, sauerkraut, and Polish sausage is what the meal was. Just always reminds me of, you know, home cooking meal, kind of like that. But for tonight, I decided to change it up a little bit. That's why I added the pierogies. And with making it right on the stovetop, it's super fast. It comes together quickly. And if you need dinner in a hurry, this one is a really good go-to. For Points Plus, the pierogies, I get 2 of them and they are 3 points. And then for the smoked sausage, I get 3 ounces and that is 5 points. And then of course green beans is 0. And then if I were to eat the sauerkraut, that's 0 too. For Weight Watchers 2025, the pierogies for 2 of them is 4 points. And the turkey sausage for 3 ounces is 7 points. I would adjust this if I was going by the Weight Watcher app. I try to stick around 10 points or so for dinner. Look at that. It's exactly 3 ounces. I couldn't have got it more perfect. And this is what dinner looks like tonight. Super duper yummy. I have 4 points left for a snack. That's 4 points. And this is what I'm going to finish my night with. It's a chewy bar. It has chocolate over the top of it. It's Fiber One. We're going to check through the Weight Watcher app. This one is sensitive. It picks it up. Woo, it takes 1 second. It's 5 points for one of these bars. So one of these, it's like a candy bar, eating a candy bar. So if you're craving one, definitely get yourself some of these. They're just so good. And you can take them along with you if you're out on the road for the day. Now with WW, I did not have enough points to have a snack tonight. And if I was following the WW app, I would have like apple, carrots, anything for 0 points. But because I am following the Points Plus through the Healthi app, I'm gonna have one of these tonight. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Wait, here are 2 more Weight Watcher videos for you to enjoy next. Thank you for watching.